Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaway. We have a giveaway for you in today's video. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of November, it is the TrendBeauty Mosaic palette. Giveaway is really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in this video is going to be a secret word that you need to know for this giveaway. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload, definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which are a lot here on the channel. I try and do giveaway from each of my unboxings. So this is the TrendBeauty Mosaic palette. So I have mine, and we'll do all the swatches and everything from this one. This one is yours. I'll show it to you really quick and then put it away so we don't get them mixed up, because I don't give away used things here on the channel. Big mirror on this side, and then look at those sponge. You could do so much with this. Neutral, crazy, whatever you want to do. So let's talk a little bit about it, do some swatches, do a couple looks, and give you my final thoughts. So I did get this as part of an Ipsy clam bag subscription, which I thought was awesome because this subscription was $13 plus you had other items, and this one came close to that amount just in this one item. And it is the Mosaic palette by TrendBeauty. It does retail for $12.50. Get in your element. Mosaic features 10 vibrant and neutral colors to create the perfect contrast of color intensity. Your eyes with a mix of shimmer and mattes. Let your inner artist out to achieve the perfect masterpiece. So let's do some swatches of this top row. This Diverse is kind of a desert rose matte. Past Tense is kind of a brick red matte. Illusion is kind of a deep tan matte. Muse is kind of a light brown matte. And Vibes is this light tan matte. It does have a little bit of a yellow undertone to it. Super creamy. Force is this light peach matte. Pillage is a light tan matte. Design is a really light peach that has a little bit of kind of like an orange undertone to it. Stone is this terracotta matte. And Element is this yellow gold shimmer. Okay, let's get into this fun bottom row. So picture perfect here. I do have in the inner third of my eyes today. It's kind of this light green shimmer. Composition is a dark green, has a little bit of like a satin finish to it. Modern Twist is this light blue matte. Principle here is a dark blue shimmer. And then Fame is this lilac matte. So pretty. Okay, let's get into a couple of those looks. So I think I'm going to go for today kind of a brown in the outer corner and then the blue kind of in the inner corner type of look today. So I do want to take plunge here just into the crease and a little bit above it. Get that inner corner. Now I'm going to take this muse here in the very kind of crease line. And then I also want to take this in the outer corners, kind of creating a V here. Then let's blend that just a little bit. I did want to kind of bring that dark brown just a little bit further in. Now let's take the dark blue kind of just right next to that, almost in the center of the lid. Now I'm going to take this light blue in the inner corner. And I'm just going to take this just on my finger and just lightly kind of tap that on the inner third just a little bit. And I do think underneath I am going to do just a brown shade. Let's take that super dark, tight line that really close. Then I want to buff that out just a little bit with this plunge shade. Let me go put some mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. So I mean, obviously you could do like an everyday look with this, but let's do something kind of fun for our last look today. So I'm going to start with the shade Element here. It's that Lilac Matte. And I'm just going to go right above the crease a little bit. Okay, let's take Principal in the very outer corner. And what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of that Modern Twist, this blue kind of matte, and just help buff that out just a hair. I'm just going to take green, this composition one here, in the center of the lid. Now let's take Picture Perfect on the inner third. Oh, these blend so well together. And then I'm going to take that yellow element in the very inner corner. Now that shade did have a little bit of fallout, so let's see if we can dust this. That's not really coming up. Dusting off. I always use my beauty blender then go over the top. And it usually picks up whatever's there. So for the very inner corner, let's take that element again where my finger just couldn't quite reach. And we'll do that in the tear duct and lower lash waterline. Come up with it just a little. And then I'm going to tightline on the lower lash principal and then just kind of do what I did up above. So let's take that principal one first. Now let's take that green here, which is composition. And then let's take Picture Perfect. And then I do want to buff out that lower line just a little bit with that blue turquoise Modern Twist. Okay, let me put some mascara and lips on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. Secret word is November. So what you guys think? Which are your looks your favorite? I kind of like this one. I just like something fun and crazy. What do you guys think? Let me know all that in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing as well. How's your Halloween? I just kind of stayed in and just kind of had low-key. I'm just recovering from an illness. So trying to get that out of the way. Anyway, I thought it was a pretty good palette. For $12.50, I mean, you could do a lot of everyday looks, colorful looks, something kind of in between. And these shimmers are outstanding. Some of the mattes, you just need to kind of pack it on and then blend them because they just need a little bit more of a build up is all. So I'm so happy to give you guys a brand new one of this. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Now, on that Google form, make sure to put your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel, as well as that secret word. And there's also bonus entries that you can get. So how the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but there's a spot to mark on there if you did do the bonus entries. If you say that you did do them, make sure you do, because I do check, and you don't want to be disqualified. So your first way to get a bonus entry is if you go follow me on Instagram. That's BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you go follow me on Twitter. It's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB, same name as the channel here. And your fourth way is if you share the video. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help. Speaking of which, you guys, we're so close to that 1,800 subscriber. If you haven't subscribed, help us get there. We've got a big one for that, and I've got a huge one that I've got stuff set aside for that 2,000 subscribers. So help us get there. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me to give back to you, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am the not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through December 2nd, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on December 7th, what I'll do is I'll take from all of the forms, if people have done what they said they're supposed to be doing, I will take first name, first initial of the last name, as well as the bonus entries. If everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing there, put those into my computer. The computer spins it all around. Everybody sees the names go around. The computer picks the winner, so don't ask to win. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and mail out those prizes to you. And then I delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell your information. I don't share your information. I'm the only one that has access to that. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, you guys. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway.